Never boil sweet potatoes directly in water again. Did you know that this seemingly harmless habit can cause sweet potatoes to lose their natural sweetness, softness, and a series of valuable nutrients? Millions of people are still making this mistake every day, and then wondering why their sweet potatoes, even though cooked, are still bland, dry, and not as fragrant as those sold in restaurants. Hello, nice to see you again on the Clever Tricks channel. Today, I'm going to share with you 3 extremely simple secrets that can completely change the way you cook sweet potatoes. No special equipment, no fuss. Just a few small changes. You will turn ordinary potatoes into a sweet, melt-in-butter dish with natural aroma. Stay tuned until the end of the video because the 3rd secret is something most people overlook, but it determines 90% of the flavor of the perfect sweet potato. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Trust me, after today, you'll never cook sweet potatoes the same way again. When choosing sweet potatoes, prioritize tubers of uniform size so that they cook evenly when steamed. Choose tubers that still have a little dirt on them, have a fresh color, and a smooth, firm skin. This is a sign that the potatoes still have natural moisture and are rich in nutrients. On the contrary, avoid choosing tubers with skin that is too smooth, dry, or wrinkled because they have lost water and reduced nutritional value. After bringing the potatoes home, prepare a bowl of clean water. Add 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Stir well to dissolve. Soak all the sweet potatoes you plan to use for about 2 minutes to soften the dirt. Then use your hands to scrub each tuber clean. Never peel potatoes before steaming or baking because the skin helps retain the natural sugars and nutrients inside. When washing, check carefully for mold or damaged areas. If you find any, throw the whole tuber away immediately, as spoiled sweet potatoes can produce aflatoxin, an extremely toxic substance that is harmful to your health. Where are you from? It's great to know we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. Thanks for your support. After washing, cut off both ends of the potato, as this is the part that is usually fibrous and less tasty. When cutting, you will see white sap secreted. The more sap, the fresher and sweeter the potato. Prepare another bowl of water. Add 1 tablespoon of salt and stir to dissolve. Soak the potato in salt water for about 15 minutes, making sure both ends are submerged. This salt-soaking step helps to soothe the oxidizing enzymes, reduce bloating or stomach reflux when eating, and also helps the potato cook faster and sweeter. After soaking, rinse again under running water and drain before processing. Method 1. First, pour water into the pot, cover and boil over high heat. When the water boils, place the steamer in the pot. then arrange the potatoes on top. Small note: only put the potatoes in when the water is boiling so the potatoes will cook evenly, retaining maximum sweetness and nutrients. After arranging the potatoes, cover the lid and steam over high heat for about 15 minutes until the potatoes are half cooked. At this stage, the potatoes begin to soften, retaining the most moisture, natural sugars, and nutrients. The gentle aroma also begins to spread. Next, reduce the heat to medium, steam for another 15 minutes. Steaming slowly over medium heat helps the starch in the potatoes gradually turn into sugar, making the potatoes sweeter without the need for additional seasoning. When you open the lid, you will see the potato skin crack slightly, giving off an attractive sweet aroma. The inside is soft, smooth, and sweet, exactly what you'd expect from a perfectly steamed potato. Let the potato cool down, then serve on a plate and enjoy. Just try this steaming method once. You'll be surprised by its natural deliciousness and nutritional value. Method 2. Use a fork or sharp knife to poke a few holes around the potato. These small holes allow steam to escape while baking, helping the potato to cook evenly, maintain its shape, and not crack or explode due to internal pressure. Next, brush a thin layer of olive oil or butter over the entire potato skin. This layer of oil will help the skin become crispier after baking, creating an attractive golden brown color, making the dish look more attractive and delicious. Once prepared, arrange the potatoes on a tray lined with baking paper or place them directly on the oven rack. Preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius, 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and bake the potatoes for 20 to 30 minutes depending on the size of each potato. To check if the potatoes are done, simply use a toothpick or chopstick to poke gently into the middle of the potato. If it goes through easily and feels soft and smooth inside, the potatoes are done. Then, remove from the oven. Baked whole sweet potatoes are a simple yet delicious dish, with a slightly crispy skin and soft, naturally sweet, aromatic inside. This is an ideal snack, both nutritious and full of rustic flavor. Method 3. How to make delicious, crispy, and fragrant sweet potato cocoons. Sweet potato cocoons are a familiar snack, especially on cool days. Each golden, crispy potato ball, soft and chewy inside, with the fragrant smell of cooked potatoes, makes everyone love it. Choose sweet potatoes that have been steamed until soft. Then, peel each sweet potato and put it in a large bowl. Cut the potatoes into small slices, then mash them while they are still hot with a spoon or fork. This will make mixing easier. While the potatoes are still hot, mash them until smooth. Where are you from? It's great to know we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. Thanks for your support. Add sugar, coconut milk if using, black sesame seeds, and slowly add tapioca starch. Knead with your hands until the dough is soft, smooth, and not sticky. If the dough is dry, you can add a little warm water. If it is wet, add a little tapioca starch. Take a small handful of dough, roll it into a ball, and shape it into a cocoon shape, about 3 to 4 centimeters long. Arrange the potatoes on a plate and let it rest for 5 to 10 minutes for the dough to stabilize. Heat oil, about 160 to 170 degrees Celsius. Fry the potatoes over medium heat until the outside is golden brown and crispy. Remove and place on absorbent paper. Do not fry over high heat because the potatoes can burn easily while the inside is not yet soft. You can fry them twice. The first time, fry lightly, let cool, and the second time, fry quickly. The potatoes will stay crispy longer. They are best eaten hot, dipped in chili sauce or diluted honey. Both are great. I find this sweet potato cocoon dish easy to make and extremely delicious. Just a few potatoes are enough to make a crispy, sweet snack that everyone loves. The feeling of biting into the crispy skin and the soft, fragrant inside is truly delicious. This dish is very suitable for family or friends on a leisurely afternoon. If you find this video useful, please click like to support. And I really want to know, do you have any tips for making better potatoes? Share them in the comments. I read them all and am always learning from everyone. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so we can discover more kitchen hacks that will save you time and money. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.